Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Beautiful Fuji white Land Rover Discovery 4 3-litre SD V6 XS model, automatic, 2014, black heated leather, 80,000 miles. Cam belt replaced just at 80,000 miles, 10 services up to 80,000 miles, £15,995. Beautiful looking thing, Fuji white, 80k, 10 services, cam belt just replaced. I got all the black bits on it, so gloss black 19-inch wheels, gloss black door handles, gloss black vents. Great looking car. So 19s, this on the back look new, nice tyre, Continental, front tyre Continental, gloss black alloy, front park sensors, front fog lamps, headlamp washers, gloss black grille, black mirror backs, wow. Inside, black leather, fitted rubber mats, heated seats, leather seats, obviously 7-seater, multifunction steering wheel with paddle change, cruise, voice control, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seat buttons are there. Comes with 2 keys in nice condition, 2 remote keys. So 80,000 miles, 10 services, cam belt just replaced, MOT till September. Clearly been well looked after, this car. I'll just show you, parcel shelves there, 7 seats folded up into the upright position. They do fold away into the boot. Wow, pretty or what? Show you in the back, very clean throughout, really nice in the boot area. Great looking Discovery, Fuji white, got a sort of black pack on it, XS auto model. Nice tyre, nice wheel. Can't see any dents or scratches. Obviously got privacy glass. Not stone chipped or knocked about. Looks to be all original to me. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, Meridian HIFI. Voice control, cruise control. 80,480 miles, 10 services, heated seat buttons there, all your terrain response, electric handbrake, leather in very nice condition, Land Rover fitted rubber mats throughout. What a cracking car, drives really well. So £15,995, lovely Disco 4 there. Very smart looking car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. We've probably got more than one Discovery 4. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, there's nearly 2,000 car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. You can watch this video over and over again. And if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock, and you will be then one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.